So look at this. I did not know this was a thing on Genesis Coupes, but look at this. I didn't know the doors don't close all the way. Right now I don't have the battery connected. So I don't have the battery connected in the car right now. So I think that's why the doors won't, they're like halfway closed. They won't close all the way. So anyway, I came out here because I wanted to put these. That's like the cover bar for the battery, and that's the cover right there. Down there. So I haven't been out here in over like more than a month, basically. So I came out here just to get everything in the car, since I don't have everything on the battery right now. But tomorrow the car is going to be towed to the guy at the shop. And that's the one he wants to take it to, is that guy as always. So he's going to the shop. He's going to look at it, see if I can get a new engine. But yeah, so my battery is disconnected. Positive and negatives are disconnected right now. I haven't been out here in like over a month to look at the car. Been more than a month. My car started working, what, approximately 7, maybe 8 weeks ago now, which is crazy. So, I think that's why, like the door, like, I don't think it's gonna fly open on the highway. But yeah, it won't close all the way without there being electricity or battery, which I didn't know. I don't like that. I wasn't aware of that. I sort of knew like it sort of automatically goes in somewhat. I've noticed that. Obviously ever since I had the car, but I didn't know it did this, so there's no battery. I was trying to figure out what's causing it. That's the only thing I can think of is like, I don't have the battery connected right now. So, it's crazy. But yeah, tomorrow, it's going to get towed. I might record it a little bit when they tow it out of here. And then see what the guy says. You know, I wish I could put an LS in it, but I mean, I don't have the money for it. So it is what it is. But yeah. Here I am on the phone with Allstate again. Oh man. It's a nightmare. Yeah, so tow truck is on the way. It's 2:12. I'll be watching Kelly Clarkson show when they come. So I started watching it a few weeks ago. But it said the arrival time would be approximately 3:40 to like 4 something o'clock. I don't know, that's ridiculous. So, but that's Allstate. You know, if you watched my video before when my car first stopped working, it took hours and hours to get a tow truck out there. So, like, I had to talk to a robot on the phone, but then I talked to some different customer service that had nothing to do with actually towing the vehicle. That's why I had to get on the phone, because you can't really get anyone on the phone to talk to when you want to tow a vehicle, or at least for Allstate. It's insane. The robot won't even, like, you can't even tell the robot, yeah, just like send a tow truck to this address. So stupid, man. It was AI crap. But yeah, so tow truck is coming. I probably need to go reconnect my battery in the car here before they get here, because I knew they're going to ask me if the car can go into neutral. So I'll just go do that here right now, outside. So yeah, I tried to reconnect the battery, and this is crazy, and this is why Hyundai vehicles are terrible and you shouldn't get one. Like, I tried, like, you can't even shift. Even when I press it, it just says, you know, like if I try to press a button, key not detected. I think the battery's completely dead right now. It's crazy, you can't shift in neutral, neutral. And of course I knew they were going to ask me if I could shift the vehicle in neutral, and of course I can't. So he might have to charge a little bit, and this is why I tried to tell this guy in here that it could be potentially the battery, but you know, I have somewhat of a narcissist around me, so someone who never believes anything, you know, they could just drive off of the bridge even though if you tell them there's like a hole up ahead. But anyway, I'll see if the tow truck guy can give the battery a little charge, and then see if I can shift it into neutral. Because I think the battery's died out over the past, it's been more than a month. So it's been almost 2 months now. Approximately 7 weeks ago is when this started. Maybe like 8 now. So it's been almost 2 months, I'm thinking. So see if we can give it a little bit of a charge, and then go from there. Hopefully it can go into neutral. Because right now the battery is just like, it seems mostly just dead. Even though they're like, you know, the door light's on, the key light comes on, but then it says no key detected. And again, this is crazy how, like, you can't close it. Look how dangerous Hyundai vehicles are. This is why you shouldn't get one. Look at this. It's like someone could literally just come by and open it. And I'm not even going to try to lock that vehicle right there. I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm just going to leave it unlocked for now. But this is crazy. So you can't close the door without any battery at all. Can't put it in neutral either. That's these new vehicles, man. But hopefully someday, I can get a Nissan Skyline R33 GTR, my favorite Japanese car, something like that. You don't have to deal with these problems. All these new vehicles. And all the AI technology. It's all trash. Screw AI. But here's an update here. So tow truck guide actually says he won't be here till like approximately 4:15 to like 4:40, something like that. So, but yeah, wait on tow truck guy. Yeah, gonna go watch Kelly then until he gets here. So stay tuned.
2 hours later.
So tow truck is here. Yeah. Yeah, so he just charged it up a little bit, so it can go in the neutral. But yeah, he said the engine won't turn over, so it probably is the engine. But yeah, he's about to bring it in. So yeah, there it goes. It's in neutral right now, so he gave it a battery charge. And there it goes.